Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as personal investment. We are going to do question number 9 today in the books of MN Limited. In the books of MN Limited. Right? You are doing 6% investment account. So investment account of 6% stock for the year ending ends on 31st December 2003. Right? Now let's see this date, particulars, working note, nominal value, income, capital, date, particulars, working note, nominal value, income, capital. Right, let's start with the sum. Now the new textbook has a brokerage transaction also. Right, now they are saying that in MN Limited, guys, though some of you must be holding an old textbook, some of you are holding a new textbook. The new textbook has a brokerage transaction also. So I'm doing the sum as per the new textbook. Okay, there's a brokerage transaction in that. Let's start. They are saying that MN Limited bought and sold 6% stock, interest payable on 31st March and 30th September. Interest payable on 31st March and 30th September. Right, let's start. Purchased. They have said that bought 24,000 worth stock on 1st March 2003, 1st March. To bank, you have purchased stock of 24,000. Right, let's do the interest calculation, guys. Interest on 1st March is 24,000 into 6% into 5 months. Someone please help me calculate. 600. So the interest is going to be 600. Now let's find out the capital value, people. Capital value is 24,000, that means 240. You have purchased at the rate of, okay, as per the new textbook, the rate is 90.875. You have purchased at 90.875, right? Someone please check this and tell me how much is this?
21,81,0.
21,81,0. Okay. Now there's a brokerage now. Since there's a brokerage, while buying you have to add brokerage. While buying you have to add brokerage. They said that brokerage is 0.125%. Fine. So in that case, this is going to be 0.125% on the nominal value. Someone please help me calculate this. Brokerage is calculated on the nominal value. Excuse me? 30 rupees. Okay. And this is X interest, so I don't need to deduct the interest. So this is going to be 21,840. Right? So this is going to be income is 600 and this is 21,840. Fine, do we get this thing here? Okay, let's move on ahead, people. 15th June. Now before 15th June there is going to be 31st March. So in 2003, 31st March, by bank, right, you have to pay your interest. So let's see this interest on 31st March. Interest on 31st March, 24,000 into 6% for 6 months. Can someone please help me calculate this?
720.
720. So the interest is 720. Fine. Next, they are saying that on 15th June you sold. 15th June. By bank. you have sold debentures of 10,000. You have sold debentures of 10,000. Let's see this. Can you please work the interest out? Interest on 15th June. Interest on 15th June is 10,000 into 6%. June, you just finished paying interest on March. So 2.5 months. Someone please help me calculate this.
125.
125. So the interest is going to be 125. Now they are saying that you sold come interest. So this should be very interesting. Capital. Capital is 10,000. So you have sold 100. You sold 100 shares. At what rate have you sold? You have sold it at 92.625. 92.625. So that is 9262.5. Right? Come interest. So you will less the interest. 125. You are selling. When you sell, you less brokerage. While buying, you add brokerage. While selling, you deduct your brokerage. So less brokerage. And remember people, brokerage is always calculated on the nominal value. So brokerage is 0.125% on my nominal value of 10,000. So it's
12.5.
12.5. So someone please do this calculation and tell me how much.
9125.
9125. Right? So this is going to be, my interest is 125 and capital value is 9125. Right? Now whenever you sell, you have to calculate your profit or loss. Let's see the calculation of profit or loss, guys. Fifth, you have nominal value, you have capital value. Right? 24,000. Capital value is 21,840. This is 10,000. Someone please help me get this.
9,100.
Expected selling price is 9,100. Right? Actual selling price. Actual selling price we found out was 9125. So my profit is 125. Fine, do we get this thing here?
25.
Sorry, my profit is 25. So in that case, you have profit. So this will come on the debit side, 15th June to P&L. Profit is 25. Fine, do we get this thing here? Okay, let's move on ahead. They have said that you have purchased on 1st August. So you have purchased on 1st August to bank. You have purchased, they are saying that you purchased 6,000 debentures. 6,000. Let's see this. Interest on 1st August is 6,000 into 6% into 1st August. 4 months. Someone please help me.
120.
120. Let's find out the capital value, people. 6,000, that means 60. You have purchased it at a price of 91.375.
548. 5,402.5.
5,402.5.
5482.
Someone cross check please. 60 into
Yes, sir.
91.375.
82.
5482.5. Okay. Now brokerage. While buying, you add the brokerage. Brokerage is 0.125% on the face value. That's your nominal value, 10,000. This is going to be 12.5 if I'm not mistaken.
6,000.
6,000. Okay. So how much is this? Someone please calculate. 0.125%. 7.5. Right? Add please. 7, 8, 9, 10, carry over, 9. 5490. So this is going to be 5490. So your interest is 120 and this is 5490. Right? Next, you sold. You sold on 1st September by bank. you have sold debentures of 4,000. You have sold debentures of 4,000. Let's calculate interest on 1st September. You have sold debentures of 4,000. These are 6% debentures. Right, 1st September, that means 5 months. Can someone please help me calculate this? 100. Right? Now, let's see this. Let's find out the capital value, people. Capital. 4,000, that means 40 debentures you have sold. At what price have you sold? 93.125. 3725. You have sold, so you will deduct brokerage, which is 0.125% on 4,000. Someone please help me calculate this. 5. So this is going to be 3720. Right? So your capital value is going to be 3720. 20. You're deducting brokerage. Right? So this is 100 and this is 3720. Now since you have sold, you have to calculate the profit or loss. Right? So nominal value and capital value. Nominal value is 4,000. Capital value, this is for the current. Let's first find out.
20,000.
You have 30 minus 10, 20,000. You had purchased first 24,000, then you had purchased 6,000, you sold 10,000. So that means you have 20,000. Someone please help me add the capital value. 21840 plus 25 plus 5490 minus 9125. 18230.
Yes.
Right? You have sold 4,000 worth stock. Someone please help me find out the expected selling price.
3646.
3646. Actual selling price. Actual selling price is 3720. That means you made a profit
70.
of 74. Right? You made a profit of 74. This is on 1st September. To P&L. You made a profit of 74. Next, let's move on ahead. 1st December. Before 1st December, there is going to be 30th September, the date on which you have to pay interest by bank. Right? So in that case, you have interest on 30th September. Interest on 30th September. This is going to be, you have 30 out of which you have finished selling 14. So you have 16,000 worth stock. You have 30,000 worth stock out of which you have sold 14. So this is 6% for 6 months. Can someone please help? 480. So the interest is going to be 480. Right? Once you have this, then you have 1st December, the date on which you purchased. 1st December to bank. This is 12,000. Right? Let's do the interest calculation, people. Interest on 1st December. Interest on 1st December is 12,000 into 6% into 1st December. That is, you just 2 months. Someone please help me. 120. Now let's find out the capital value, people. Capital value 120. The price at which you purchased was 94.125. 94.11295. Right? Brokerage. You are purchasing. That means you need to add brokerage. Brokerage is 0.125%
15.
on my 12,000 figure. Right? 15. Then this is come interest. So you will less interest. Interest is right. Someone cross check please. Right. Since this was come interest, I also deducted the interest. So how much does this come to?
1190.
1190. Right. So this is going to be interest is 120 and this is 1190. That's tally people.
That is 111.
1190. Let's tally people. Someone please help me add this. 42,000. 42,000 This is 31st December. My balance carried down. How much is it?
28,000.
28,000. Let's find the interest on this, people. Interest on 31st December. 28,000 into 6% for 3 months. Someone please help me calculate this.
420.
420. So this is 420. Add the capital value, people.
38619.
38619. 38619. Someone please get me the difference. Someone please get me the difference. How much is the difference, people?
25774.
Yes.
25774. Next, someone please add the credit side of income.
One eight four five.
1845.
Okay.
1845. Differences?
1,005.
1005. This is 31st December 2 p.m. 1005. That finishes that sum. We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.